Today we're making the maple mustard dressing. I always tell you that the sauce is the secret to eating more veggies, and this is not going to disappoint. In this dressing, the main ingredient is mustard. You could use Dijon, or this is stone ground. Any kind of mustard you like will do. Of course, we have to do Nooch for the umami cheesiness. Tamari, or I use coconut aminos. This is just a great salt source. I love it because it also adds the umami in there. Maple syrup. You could also use date syrup if you prefer, but it's my preferred sweetener. Apple cider vinegar for the acid. So delicious, so wonderful. And the heat hit here comes from tabasco chipotle. You could use any hot sauce you like. I just love the warm chipotle smoky flavor, so I love that one in here. And then just some black pepper, and of course the cashews is the main ingredient, makes it super creamy. So we're starting with this cashew. A cashew base is incredible because first of all, it's a great way to get your 1 to 2 ounces of nuts and seeds a day. Super important and health promoting. And then we're just gonna add all of our ingredients. I start with the nutritional yeast, and then we're gonna add in our mustard, tamari, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar. I like it very hot. And just some pepper, a little bit of water. And just to blend it. The key to making a really super creamy dressing out of nuts and seeds is to really blend it a lot. Yum, smells so good. I love using this on my herb potato Dijon salad. That's where this started from, but it's good on any salad. It's good over potatoes. It's good however you enjoy a good, delicious, healthy sauce.